back to my channel. So this is a bit of a different setup. I am back in the kitchen, but I am not baking this time because we just don't need to see any more of that, do we? No. As you can see by the title, today I am going to be DIYing some trainers. I bought some trainers to paint because I didn't really want to ruin my Air Force, because if this goes horribly wrong or just doesn't look that good, I didn't really want to ruin a pair, so I just thought I'd add to the collection. Found these trainers on Sports Direct from a brand called Fabric. I'd never heard of them, but these were just £10 white trainers that I found. So this is just what they look like. Kind of similar style to Air Force, but without the Nike tick on the side, but you know, that doesn't matter. They just also so happen to light up. Wasn't planning on getting trainers that light up, but these were genuinely the cheapest ones I could find, and I just thought, well, that's pretty cool, so why wouldn't I? But yes, these are the trainers that I'm going to be painting. I will tell you now, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm also not really an artist. So there's not really going to be any groovy, fancy, detailed designs. We're sticking to easy, cheap DIY trainers that anyone can do, rather than having to go out and buy all the fancy stuff, because who has time for that? Not me. Take the label out. This won't work. No. It's just to show how you can DIY and custom some trainers, whether you're doing it to old trainers or want to make some cheap new ones more groovy, then this is how to do it. I mean, you may not even want to take my advice. Let's see how it goes first, but let's just have a go really. The paint I am using is this pink Dough Crafts, don't know if that's how you say it, all-purpose acrylic paint. We're just going to see how it goes really. I actually kind of planned what sections I'm going to paint and made up a little digital image, which I'll just add the little time-lapse of now. It's really short. Once I've put this paint on, there's not really any going back, which is worrying as it can still go very wrong, but we're just going to try. Let's get started. So I'm just going in with this main bit on the side here. Okay, I've done it. I'm actually mostly scared about making it neat. I think I'll have to do a few layers, potentially just 2, but we'll see how the first layer goes, leave it, and then if I need to come back to it, then I shall. My main worry about this is that they're going to turn out stripy, which is what I'm really trying not to. You know where like you can just see the brush strokes? That's what I'm kind of worried about. So I'm just going to keep going over it, but I think that's what the second layer will sort. So maybe after the first layer, don't worry if it's looking a bit like patchy, because once you put a second layer on, it hopefully should sort that out. So I've done like the main bit, but I've got a little thin bit, so this is where it may go wrong, but so that is the first bit done. I'm actually really happy with that, but I think when it dries, it's gonna show where all my little mistakes have been. I think I'm gonna set up a little time lapse and paint some of the other bits that I want light pink on this trainer, because watching me paint for a solid 10 minutes, probably not the most exciting thing, is it? I mean, maybe it is, but you know. Okay, so I've done both sides and the front. Another layer, I think it will look really cool. I'm just a bit worried about doing the back, like I don't want to ruin it. Oh, I don't know. Do a time lapse of this shoe, then I'll catch back in with you. get back in, I don't know, I'll catch in with you again. I feel like I concentrate so much. And they look pretty cool, like from a distance. I feel like you wouldn't even notice, but up close, you can see the brush strokes. So I think I'm gonna do another layer and then not gonna record that. You don't need to see me paint again. Make a decision about this back bit because I still can't decide. Because I do think it would look really cool, but I just don't want to ruin it. So I am finished and I've decided to just go with this colour because honestly I just don't want to ruin it. The colours look really nice. I'm happy I went for this colour. I'm really happy. I think the colour looks so much better than I thought. Just add some little clips in a minute of, well, one of them on, but also like matching them with an outfit just to show you how I'd wear them, style them, etc. But yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. Sorry they're not the most exciting colours and designs, but sometimes I just think simple is a bit more effective. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it wasn't too boring and I hope it has inspired, is that a bit much, but made some of you think about giving your own trainers a bit of a DIY. Like I said, I'll add a few more clips in a second, but other than that, I shall see you soon for another video. Oh, I just love that. Closer. I just thought I'd quickly add, I've decided to buy a varnish just from eBay of the same brand because the paint kind of not cracks, like it looks really nice, but obviously where the shoes crease, and it's gonna crease and that's okay, but I just thought I'll get a varnish, give it a bit of a nicer finish. I'll add a picture if it arrives before I post this, but if not, soz. But yeah, hopefully that all works out, and yeah.